This article explains how to add and manage materials within WeldTrace. You will learn to add materials globally or to specific projects and handle material test certificate uploads. You can add materials to the whole account using the Library and Common Materials page here. So when you add material here, it will be available across all the projects. If you need to add a material to a specific project, you click on that project, go to that project, click in the materials, and click Add. So in this case, the material added here will be available only for this project. Enter the heat number. If you have the same heat number for different products, you'll have to separate them by entering the lot number in addition to the heat number. You can give the material some name to identify what it is. You can upload the MTC file now or using the bulk file upload feature. You can also select the product form, plate, pipe, etc. If it is a pipe, then you can pick the pipe dimension. So this will show you the default for the account in terms of the units. Pick the correct pipe size and it will store the dimensions. You can either pick the P number or you can pick an actual base metal from this list. So you can either sort the list or select the data using a filter by condition. Enter the value in filter and it'll show the available options. Select Save, and it saves the base metal details. Optionally, you can use these fields for inventory control. Please note that this is only a manual inventory control method. Click Save, and the material will be created here. In case you have more than one that you need to add, you can use the Import feature. Download the template from here and then fill in all the details and upload the materials. In case there's any issue, you will see the cells highlighted. If not, the Create button will be enabled. You can just click Create and it'll get added. So all the materials have been imported. You can also use the bulk file upload feature to upload the MTC files. And as long as the MTC files are named with the heat number, or if you're using a lot number, they need to be separated with an underscore. So you'd see that these three files match the heat numbers already added. Click Upload Files, and the files will get uploaded. Against each heat number, you'll see the paperclip appear, indicating the material test certificates have been uploaded. This article guided you through adding and managing materials in WeldTrace, including project-specific additions, material details entry, and bulk uploading MTC files. For more information, explore related articles on inventory control and material management.